Hello, and today we're going to continue with where we left off with click and drag. We looked in the first one at numbers. This time we're going to look at combinations of letters and numbers and also at dates. So here we go. So let's do Q1, standing for quarter one, and drag it down. It will go Q2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 2020 for a year and drag it down. And that's kept in the single year. So to do that, we'd have to go Control and then drag it down. And then we get a succession of years. Let's try doing Q1 space 2020. What will it do this time? So it will go to Q1 21, 22, 23, but always Q1. Now I've seen somewhere that if you do this the other way around, so we do 1 Q 20 20, and this time you don't need to hold down Control, so drag, and I'm getting Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, 2020, and then the same for 21 and so on. Unfortunately, this seems to only work with Q because it recognizes it as a quarter one. So if, for example, I was at a school and I put in S1, 2020, for semester one, and dragged it down, I get S1, 21, 22, 23. It's not what I want. To do that, I would have to put in S2, 2020, highlight the 2 and drag it down. And then I would get S1, 2 for 2020, S1, 2 for 21, and so on. The same with T for trimester, if there's 3 of them, or term. So we're going to put T1, 2020. If we drag that down, we don't get what we want. So again, we'd have to put in T2, 2020, and T3, 2020, highlight them all, and drag them down. One other thing you can do, so I'm going to go to column J here, and I'm going to put in a date in J1, 1/10/24, and then I'm going to go to the bottom corner, right click and drag it down, and I will get this dialog box, which will give me the choice, do I want to fill by days, by weekdays, by months, by years. So let's say I choose months, and there you have October, November, December, and then into 2025. So using that dialog box might save you from having to remember a whole lot of stuff. But there is quite a big variety of things that you can do there fairly quickly and easy. So that's it for today. I hope there's something there that's useful for you, and see you again next time.